Hi, it's Kim with another technique taster for Creative Scrapbooker Magazine, and today we're going to be making a fun little card using some dies and stamps from Elizabeth Craft Dies. We're going to use some ColorBox pigment ink, Chameleon Color Tone pens with some of the color top additions to them, and some adhesives from Scrapbook Adhesives by 3L. So let's get started. It's a simple and fairly quick card to make. So we're starting the process, and I've added some permanent adhesive sheets, these ones here, to the back of a piece of cardstock. And what happens is it gives you a piece of paper that you can then peel off the back and you have a sticker. And what I've done is I've taken the Elizabeth Craft die, put it on top of this, run it through my Big Shot, and then I've come up with this die here, which is absolutely beautiful. You can see it on the back of a piece of cardstock there. So now whatever I do with this die, I have adhesive on the back ready to easily apply it to a project. We're going to simply take a black Chameleon pen. I like to use the paintbrush tip, and we are going to paint over top of the die. I have taken a piece of Creative Scrapbooker Magazine Super Stock. I've adhered one of my dies on here. I put a stamp using my ColorBox black permanent ink, that one is. And I've used the Elizabeth Craft Design "Don't wait for someone to bring you flowers" stamp. So what I have done with this is taken the RD2 and just color in the centers of your flowers. From there, we're going to take our Y02, or whichever color you want. These are just the ones that I've used if anyone's interested. And I'm going to take the color top, which is an orange, and we're going to blend these. It's really important when you are working with the blending, try it out. See how long you need to achieve the look you want. If I join these together, let it sit for a couple of seconds, this is what I'm going to get. I get this beautiful blending of colors, but you can see there how much orange I get before it changes to yellow. So what I found when I was doing this card, I really only need 1 second of the two colors joined together to do the blending. So I put them together, count to 1, and then I'm just coloring the petals to get this beautiful gradiated color. Again, 1. After I've done a gradient, take the lighter color, which is the yellow, and just color over top of it. It tends to blend things just that much better. I also like to add one down here. So here's one that's pre-colored, and I also just cut part of this big die so that I have 3 flowers. And to show you how that adhesive works is very slick. I'm just going to find an edge, and look at that. You peel it away and you have wonderful detailed adhesive. And you can just put this anywheres on there. This is what I ended up with. I have both of my die cuts colored With the blending technique, I have a lovely quote. I took some thread and wrapped it around my card to give just another layer of interest. I put a little brad on there, popped it on top of a piece of Bazzill cardstock, and then there's this very bright and fun card ready to gift to somebody that you really care about.